So there's been a lot of debate around the GoPro Hero 10 and how much it heats up before it shuts down and how long. Okay, so there's been some debate around the GoPro Hero 10 and that it overheats too fast. So there's been some debate from others, some like, oh, it's no problem, it lasts. Other people are like, no, I've seen a video where it shuts down in 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes or whatever it is. And as a matter of fact, Air Photography did a really cool video testing how long the GoPro Hero 10 lasts. But now I'm going to do my own test for my own subs. And this is what we got. Okay, so here's my setup. We have the Note 20 Ultra. We have the Seek thermal camera. On this image, you can see that it is currently 88 degrees in my garage. And all we're going to do is we're going to put the Hero 10 on at 5.3K at 60 frames a second, and then you'll actually be able to watch it warm up on this screen until it overheats and fails. And that's as simple as it gets. So without any further delay, let's start the test. Okay, so how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? Well, if you're talking about the GoPro Hero 10, which this thing really is like, you need an oven mitt to hold this thing. It is hot. But it took about 18 minutes and 25 seconds in a 90-degree garage in Central Florida with no breeze whatsoever. You can see sweat running down my nose and, you know, coming through my shirt, which is disgusting. But for my GoPro Hero 10, in my situation, you're looking at 18 minutes and 25 seconds for it to shut down. I hope this video helps you out. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out. And this thing is smoking hot.